Okay, welcome. Let's install Windows 11 in Oracle VM VirtualBox. Go to New, click it, Windows 11, right? And you can change the location, Other, and I will set it to partition E. And in partition E, I'll go to Windows 11, select folder, right? Microsoft Windows is the type, and in version, let's go with Windows 10 64-bit since there is not Windows 11 in the version, so move with this one. Next, and you can assign a memory. Let's move with around 4 GB, right? Next, and create a virtual hard disk. Now, find, create, and VDI virtual box disk image, dynamically allocated. Okay, move with this one. And Windows 11 VDI, okay, and give file size, I will give it 50 GB, right? Disk space, create. Now it is created. Okay, now let's go to settings, right, and go to storage, right, and click this empty, right, and click this one, and then choose a disk file, right, your ISO Windows 11, select it, open, right, and click OK, and start. Okay, you are seeing here. In any confusion, please ask in the comment. Now let the process go through. Let's close these ones, right? Then next, install now. I don't have product key, and choose Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. You can move with another one also. Next, I accept. Next, custom. Here is unallocated space of 50 GB that we assigned. Click new, apply. Okay, we are getting the size here 49.9 GB, and click next. Okay, now it is copying the file. Windows needs to restart now. Click restart now. Okay, here is Windows 11. Now let's set up something. Is this the right country for a reason? Let's choose your own country here. I will move with my own country. Nepal, yes. Is this the right keyboard layout input? Yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. Checking for updates. How would you like to set up this device? Set up for personal use. Next, let's add your Microsoft account. I will not add it right now. Offline account. If you are installing it as a main operating system, then you can add Microsoft account, right? What is a Microsoft account? Okay, skip for now. Your name. I don't want to set a password. You can change it, right? Default values, you can change it. I am moving with default one. Next, next, accept. Okay, checking for updates again. Let's wait. Okay, here is our Windows 11 in VirtualBox, right? So it is the start button, right? Let's go to File Explorer. Here is the File Explorer, this PC. Okay, this way you can install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox in VMware, you can check out my video link in description box. Thank you very much for watching.